Alright, so this is a quick fix for a problem that is pretty common. I know a few people that have had it. Basically what you have here are these pneumatic door stoppers for screen doors and outside doors so that when you close the door, it doesn't slam shut. It closes slowly. And they're connected by these two screws here, and those screws do not go all the way through. They actually end in the middle of the door. But what happens a lot of times is those screws, either the holes were drilled too wide or they wear down after a while and they start to get loose. And so what you have here is basically the stopper gets really loose, which I can't demonstrate because I already fixed mine. But basically an easy fix for this is you actually drill all the way through the door. And then you can use like a screw or a nut, or rather a bolt and a nut, and preferably a washer, though I didn't do that here. And you just screw all the way through and you tighten that up, and then that keeps it nice and tight and should be a permanent fix for the loose door closer, for the most part at least. And so I ordered these ones on Amazon. It's the 1.5 length screw with a set of washers and a set of nuts. And the screws actually come with this hex wrench so that you can screw them in correctly. And that did the trick for me. It's been about a month now and hasn't loosened up at all.